Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to keep still, don't move around too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the measurements. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. And to do it, simply press the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through this menu. Oh, my bad. Scroll through the menu by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the heart rate icon and tap on it. And once you tap on it, the heart rate will be measured automatically. Basically, it will start measuring your heart rate. So let's tap on it. And once it's done, it will take a couple of seconds basically, but you will see this icon. This means that the measurement is done, and you can tap on this icon right here to repeat the measurement if you want to. And if you're done with measuring, you can press the home button to go back like this. You can also enable the continuous measurements. To do it, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp Life application. Once the devices are paired, open the Zepp Life application on your phone, tap on profile icon, tap on Amazfit Verge Lite to select it. Once the watch is done syncing with your phone, scroll down, find the option called heart rate monitoring, tap on it, and here we can tap on monitoring method, and we have three options rather: automatic heart rate monitoring, sleep assistant, and automatic heart rate monitoring and sleep assistant. So if you want only to measure your heart rate during the day, select the automatic heart rate monitoring. If you want to basically track your sleep and see how you're sleeping and stuff like that, tap on sleep assistant. And if you want to select both, tap on the last option. But be aware that each of these options will consume battery or more battery life. So if you don't want to waste the battery life quite quickly, it's recommended to keep it disabled. Anyway, let's select, for example, automatic heart rate. Tap on OK. And here we can change the detection frequency, for example, and you have how often the measurement would happen. And you have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. Select the option you like. You can also enable the activity monitoring if you want to, but this also will reduce the battery life. And also you have heart rate alerts. And if you can set the value, for example, to something like 150, and if it goes above, it's gonna alert you that your heart rate is too high. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off, but that's basically how you enable the heart rate monitoring. Okay, and that's about all. That's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.